In this video I will show you how to use the GelJ features to export experiments into software for population analysis. So here we have the GelJ interface where we have created several experiments, and also we have created some dendrograms. And well, we want to export these experiments into software for population analysis. So the first thing to do is to go to the tools menu, then population genetics, and then click on add population field. As you can see, a new field appears in the center of the screen called population, and we can assign to each individual its corresponding population. We can press here and select instance 1, this one, T2, so on, 1, and so on. If we don't assign any population, then what we have is by default population for the rest of the individuals. So these individuals will be in the default population. So now that we have assigned the population to each individual, we go to tools, population genetics, and export data. The first step consists in giving a name, for instance test. And then, well, we select the experiment that we want to export. If you have used previously GelJ, you can recognize this interface because it's the same that is used for dendrograms. So here we can select one experiment, two experiments, all the experiments that we have created. In this case I just select one. And then we select the length of that experiment that we want to export. We fix the tolerance value, and we select a field to give us a name for each individual. And now this window is new, it's not the same as with the dendrogram. Here we can select the systems that we want to export our experiments. So here we have some of the most commonly used software for population analysis, and we can select, well, one of them, all of them, whatever we want. So for instance, let us pick these 3, these 4, and we press the finish button. Then the system asks us to select a folder to save our results. Here for instance that folder, and we click select, and well, as you can see the process is automatic. And if we go now to this folder, we can see several files. One file with the name that we gave to our export, underscore, and then the name of the system. And it needs one of these files. If you open it, it's the data compatible with each one of the systems that we will select. In addition, we provide some files that are called instructions. We open this one, for instance, that indicate how to load the data into the corresponding system. Okay. In addition, you can see that there is 2 additional files called GelJ XML and GelJ XLL. These files contain the data using an XML format. So if we open this file, it will open in a browser. Okay, here we have. So here we have our individuals with the information for each population and its locus. So you can see, well, there are several of them. Okay. That's it. So now you can load these files into the corresponding program and you can use it.